Hey guys, it's Chris here, and this is the QC35s. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the Bose 700s. Now, I had the Bose QC25s, these are the 35s, but we're going to be upgrading to the Bose 700s and not the Bose QC45. These are the Bose 700s, and right now you can get them for $299. If you can get them for a cheaper price, I would jump on it. There's a pull tab right here. In the box you have the case, and inside the case you have the headphones, but before that you have a start guide booklet. This is the Bose headphone cases compared to the QC35s. This is a bit thinner, but this is more compact. If we look inside, these are the headphones. You have Bose Music app, which you would need to install, and you have touch controls on the right side for play, pause, phone calls, and the volume. This is the headphones with a little foam tab there. I will have to look at what these buttons do, but stay tuned for a video on how to use these headphones. And the ear cups, they do look a bit smaller, but these are the Bose 700s. That's how the ear cups go up and down. And they have a bit of a rotate as well. At the top here you have a magnetic clasp, pretty cool, and it holds your USB-C cable, which is about 1 foot long, and the 2.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter aux cable, so that you can use the headphones with a wire. But they are Bluetooth 5.0, so you can connect more than 2 devices. Really quick look, this is the headband. It's a nice rubber finish, really soft. Compared to this cloth one, it has gotten pretty not as stiff as before. We'll see how this one fares. That does it with this video. Thank you guys for watching the unboxing. Stay tuned for a future video on the features of these headphones, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Like the video if you did, subscribe for future content, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.